Let's talk about something we all do but rarely discuss: peeing. It's a basic part of life, something that happens every day, yet it's often surrounded by silence or even embarrassment. But understanding your bathroom habits can actually tell you a lot about your health. So, how often is too often? And when should you start paying attention? For most people, using the bathroom is just another part of the daily routine. You might not even notice how often you go, especially when life is busy or you're distracted by work, family, or your phone. But sometimes, a change in your bathroom habits can sneak up on you. Maybe you start to notice you're making more trips than usual, or you're suddenly more aware of the urge to go. If you're suddenly making more trips to the bathroom, especially if it's disrupting your day or waking you up at night, it's worth paying attention. Frequent urination can be more than just a minor annoyance. It can affect your sleep, your focus, and even your mood. You might find yourself planning your day around bathroom breaks or feeling tired because you're not getting enough rest at night. Frequent urination isn't just an inconvenience, it can be your body's early warning system. Sometimes it's your body's way of telling you that something isn't quite right. It could be a sign of a urinary tract infection, diabetes, or even an issue with your bladder or kidneys. It's important not to ignore these signals, especially if they're new or getting worse. One helpful step is to keep track of your bathroom visits. Noticing a pattern of urinating more than 5 or 6 times a day, especially if that's more than usual for you, can be a good reason to take note. You might want to jot down when you go, how much you drink, and if you notice any other symptoms like pain, urgency, or changes in color. This information can be really helpful if you decide to talk to a doctor. Remember, this isn't about panicking over a busy day or a few extra cups of coffee. It's about recognizing a real persistent shift in your habits. Occasional changes are normal, but if you notice a consistent pattern, it's worth taking seriously. Taking a moment to reflect on your health can help you catch issues early and give you peace of mind. In this video, we'll break down what's considered normal when it comes to bathroom frequency, explore some common causes for those extra trips, and help you figure out when it's time to reach out to your doctor. By understanding your body's signals, you can take better care of your health and feel more confident about what's normal for you. Before we dive into what might be considered abnormal bladder behavior, it's important to first understand what's actually normal for most people. Knowing the typical patterns and functions of a healthy bladder can help you recognize when something might be off, and when it's time to seek advice or reassurance from a healthcare professional. For most healthy adults, urinating anywhere from 4 to 7 times in a 24-hour period is considered within the normal range. However, this number isn't set in stone. It can fluctuate depending on several factors, such as your age, how much fluid you drink throughout the day, the types of beverages you consume, like coffee or alcohol, which can increase urination, and even your level of physical activity. For example, if you're exercising a lot and sweating, you might urinate less because your body is losing water in other ways. The average adult bladder is designed to comfortably hold about 1.5 to 2 cups of urine at a time, which is roughly 350 to 500 milliliters. Interestingly, the urge to urinate usually begins when your bladder is only about a quarter full, but most people can wait until it's more convenient to go. This urge is your body's way of letting you know it's time to empty your bladder, but it's also normal to be able to delay urination for a short period if needed. What's most important is to get familiar with your own baseline, what feels normal for you. This includes not just how often you go, but also how urgently you feel the need, and whether you're able to fully empty your bladder each time. Some people naturally go more or less often, and that's okay, as long as it's consistent for you and not causing discomfort or disruption. If you suddenly find yourself needing to urinate much more frequently than usual, or if you're waking up multiple times at night to go to the bathroom when you didn't before, that's something to pay attention to. It's not just about the number of trips, but whether this new pattern is interfering with your daily life, your sleep, or your overall well-being. Another important aspect is the amount of urine you pass each time. If you're going often but only passing small amounts, it could be a sign of bladder irritation, infection, or another underlying issue. On the other hand, if you're passing unusually large volumes, especially if you're also feeling very thirsty, it could point to other health concerns, such as diabetes or problems with your kidneys. Ultimately, the most important warning sign isn't a specific number of bathroom visits, but a noticeable and persistent change from your usual pattern. If you notice something different, whether it's frequency, urgency, volume, or discomfort, don't ignore it. Paying attention to your body's signals is the first step in maintaining good bladder health. Have you ever wondered why you suddenly find yourself making more trips to the bathroom than usual? In many cases, the answer is surprisingly simple and often comes down to everyday lifestyle choices that you might not even notice. Our daily routines, what we eat and drink, and even how we feel emotionally can all play a role in how often we need to go. For example, if you've recently started drinking more water, maybe because you're trying to stay hydrated or it's a hot day, your body will naturally respond by sending you to the bathroom more often. This is just your kidneys working efficiently to keep your system balanced and healthy, flushing out what your body doesn't need. But it's not just water. Drinks like coffee, tea, soda, and alcohol all have ingredients that can make you urinate more frequently. Caffeine and alcohol are both diuretics, which means they encourage your body to get rid of extra fluid. So if you're enjoying an extra cup of coffee in the morning or a glass of wine in the evening, don't be surprised if you're heading to the bathroom more than usual. Even the foods you eat can have an impact. Fruits and vegetables with high water content, like watermelon, cucumbers, oranges, and celery, can add to your fluid intake without you even realizing it. Eating more of these foods, especially in the summer, can gently increase your need to go. But it's not always about what you consume. Your emotions matter too. Stress and anxiety can actually trigger the urge to urinate, even if your bladder isn't physically full. This is because your body's stress response can send signals to your bladder, making you feel like you need to go more often, especially during tense or anxious moments. Medications are another common reason for extra bathroom trips. Some medicines, especially those prescribed for high blood pressure or heart conditions, are designed to help your body get rid of excess fluid. These are called diuretics, and they work by making your kidneys release more sodium and water into your urine. If you've recently started a new medication and notice you're going to the bathroom more, it's a good idea to check with your doctor or pharmacist. They can explain if this is a normal side effect or if you should be concerned. However, it's important to never stop taking a prescribed medication without first talking to your healthcare provider. Stopping suddenly can sometimes do more harm than good, so always get professional advice before making any changes. In many cases, frequent urination is simply a reflection of your daily habits or emotional state. Sometimes, it's just about what you're drinking, eating, or how you're feeling at the moment. If you're curious about what's causing your extra trips, try tracking your habits for a few days. Write down what you eat and drink, how you're feeling, and when you go to the bathroom. This can help you spot patterns and figure out if there's a clear connection. The good news is that, for most people, simple changes, like adjusting your fluid intake, managing stress, or talking to your doctor about medications, can often solve the problem and help you feel more comfortable in your daily life. If lifestyle changes don't explain it, frequent urination could signal a medical issue. In women, urinary tract infections, UTIs, are a common cause. Look for urgency, burning, and the feeling you can't empty your bladder. For men, especially older men, an enlarged prostate can make urination difficult and more frequent, particularly at night. Overactive bladder causes sudden, intense urges and frequent trips, sometimes with leakage. Interstitial cystitis or painful bladder syndrome leads to frequent, small amounts of urination and pelvic pain. These conditions are manageable, but need a doctor's evaluation to distinguish between them. Don't ignore persistent changes. Get checked. Early diagnosis can make a big difference. Your body is trying to tell you something. Listen. Sometimes frequent urination is a red flag for serious health issues. Diabetes, both type 1 and type 2, can cause you to pee more, often with excessive thirst. If you're always thirsty and urinating a lot, get your blood sugar checked. Diabetes insipidus, a rare condition, also causes large amounts of diluted urine and intense thirst. Kidney problems can change your urination patterns, sometimes with swelling, fatigue, or foamy urine. Early kidney disease is often silent, so pay attention to new, persistent changes. These conditions require prompt medical attention. Don't wait if you notice these warning signs. Your urinary habits can reveal a lot about your overall health. When in doubt, see your doctor. Noticing a persistent change in urination, don't rely on internet searches, see a professional. Self-diagnosing can cause unnecessary worry or dangerous delays. Your doctor will ask about your symptoms, timing, and any other changes. A simple urinalysis can reveal infections, kidney issues, or diabetes. Further tests like blood work or ultrasounds may be needed. There's a systematic process to get answers. Managing this on your own can be risky. Let a healthcare provider guide you to the right diagnosis and treatment. Your health is worth it. Worried about frequent urination? Start a bladder diary before your doctor's visit. For a few days, jot down every time you go, estimate the amount, and note what you drink. Record any symptoms, urgency, pain, leakage, or nighttime trips. This turns vague concerns into clear data for your doctor. Tracking helps spot patterns and possible triggers, like caffeine or stress. It's a simple way to take charge of your health. Bring your notes to your appointment for a more productive conversation. The more details you provide, the faster you'll get answers. Your diary is a powerful tool for your care. If your doctor rules out serious issues, there are ways to manage frequent urination at home. Space out your water intake. Sip steadily instead of gulping large amounts. Identify and limit bladder irritants like caffeine, alcohol, carbonated drinks, and acidic foods. Try an elimination diet to see what affects you most. Bladder training can help. Set a schedule and gradually increase the time between trips. Pelvic floor exercises, Kegels, strengthen the muscles that control urination. Squeeze, hold, and relax. Aim for several sets a day. Consistency is key for results. Small changes can make a big difference. Take control of your bladder health with these simple steps. Some symptoms mean you need a doctor now. Fever, chills, or back pain with frequent urination could signal a kidney infection. Blood in your urine is always a red flag. Don't ignore it. If you suddenly can't urinate or only pass a few drops with a full bladder, seek emergency care. Confusion, severe weakness, or dizziness with frequent urination can mean a serious problem. Don't try to fix these at home. Get help immediately. When in doubt, act fast. Your health depends on it.